In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Notion pages as a blog, all within just 5 minutes. If you've been using Notion to organize your thoughts, jot down ideas, or manage projects, you might not realize you already have a fantastic resource to extend those ideas into a public space. With just a few simple steps, Notion can transform from an internal tool into an external showcase of your work. Here's how. Start by heading to your workspace in Notion. This is your home base for everything from wikis to project management, so you want to make sure you're logged into the right account. Once there, proceed to log in. If you're not already signed in, click on the Login button and enter your credentials. You should see your personal collection of notes and pages once you've logged in successfully. Next, navigate to Notion Home. Think of this as a jumping-off point where you can access all your stored pages or start something fresh. For this tutorial, you'll likely want to choose a page that's ready for the world to see, or perhaps one you've earmarked for blogging purposes. Select this page and then click on it. Once your selected page is open, locate and click on the Share button. This allows you to reveal your content to a broader audience. When you click the Share button, you'll see various options for how you can share your page. For the purpose of publishing as a blog, the next move is to click on Publish. Following the Publish click, you'll need to select Publish to Web. By doing this, you're taking the crucial step of making your content publicly accessible on the internet. This function converts your Notion page into a web page, giving it a neat and presentable format for your readers to enjoy. And just like that, you've got a blog up and running with your Notion page at its core. Remember, the beauty of this method is its simplicity and accessibility. With Notion, you're not limited to a particular style or theme, allowing your creativity and content to fully take the spotlight. You also have the flexibility to update your Notion page whenever inspiration strikes, and those changes can be automatically reflected on the published blog. There you have it. A quick, efficient way to turn your Notion pages into a fully fledged blog. So go ahead, share your insights with the world using this unique and straightforward method. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to give your favorite Notion pages the public stage they deserve.